What's going on, guys? All right, so it's about 7 in the morning. I'm out here in Dallas. I'm gonna be with Bionik today for a little bit before my photo shoot. So I'm gonna get on this roof, help them out, just so I can learn how the whole roofing process, as far as tearing off and then putting back the shingles. I'm trying to learn all that stuff. So yeah, stay tuned. I'm gonna be recording with the GoPro attached to my chest, and then see from there. I got a photo shoot later on too, so I'll be recording some with the GoPro, putting some of the photos up, and yeah, and then I'm gonna do, lastly, if I still have time, I'm gonna do a test with the regular bicycle, mounting it and see how it turns out, see how smooth the GoPro Hero 9 really is. That's what I really want to find out. I did some tests running, and it's super smooth, and the quality is still good. So I just want to try it out with the bicycle, going up a hill, through gravel, doing jumps and all that. Just see what happens.
𝐒𝐿𝐷𝐿𝐷𝐿𝐷𝐿𝐷𝐿𝐷𝐿𝐷𝐿𝐷𝐿𝐷𝐿𝐷𝐿𝐷𝐿𝐷𝐿𝐷𝐿𝐷𝐿𝐷𝐿𝐷𝐿𝐷𝐿𝐷𝐿𝐷𝐿𝐷𝐿𝐷𝐿𝐷𝐿𝐷𝐿𝐷𝐿𝐷𝐿𝐷𝐿𝐷𝐿𝐷𝐿𝐷𝐿𝐷𝐿𝐷𝐿𝐷𝐿𝐷𝐿𝐷𝐿𝐷𝐿𝐷𝐿𝐷𝐿𝐷𝐿𝐷𝐿𝐷𝐿𝐷𝐿𝐷𝐿𝐷𝐿𝐷𝐿𝐷𝐿𝐷𝐿𝐷𝐿